Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore a brand new feature on WhatsApp for PC that makes multitasking smoother and more convenient than ever before. WhatsApp has recently introduced the ability to pop out a chat into its own window, and in just a few quick steps, you'll be able to use this feature like a pro. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp desktop app just like you normally would. Once you're inside, take a moment to scroll through your list of chats and choose the one you want to focus on. Now here's where the update comes into play. Place your mouse over the chat you've selected, then right-click on it. A small menu will appear with a few different options. From this list, simply select the one that says Pop Out Chat. Instantly, that conversation will open in its very own dedicated window. What's great about this is that the chat is no longer tied to the main WhatsApp interface. You can move it around your screen, resize the window, or position it next to other apps you're working in. This makes it incredibly useful if you're juggling multiple tasks. Like replying to messages while keeping an eye on your emails or documents, you can repeat this with as many chats as you like. Each one will open in its own separate window, giving you full control over how you want to organize your conversations. And the best part is, they all stay connected to your main WhatsApp app in real time, so there's no worry about missing updates or notifications. When you're done, you can simply close out the pop-out chat, and the conversation will still be available in your main WhatsApp window as normal. Nothing gets lost, and everything stays right where you left it. This update is all about making communication easier and more efficient for PC users. Whether you're working, gaming, or just chatting with friends, the pop-out chat feature gives you the flexibility to stay connected without constantly jumping back and forth in the app.